Hi everybody, tonight we're going to be making some peppermint bark. Really quick, really easy, great for the holidays, great as gifts. To add into your snack boxes or for parties. It's just a wonderful thing. You're going to need one 12-ounce bag of milk chocolate or semi-sweet chocolate chips. We're going to pop them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Stir them, see how they do. Wow, that was wrong. There we go. I said 30 seconds, not 3 minutes. I said it for 3 minutes. I apologize. You're going to need a piece of parchment paper, white chocolate chips, peppermint extract, and either a bag of mints or candy canes. And that's all there is to it. It's very simple, very easy, very yummy. I have a puppy following me around. You just want to mix them up so that they're not going to burn as you're microwaving them. You only want to do 30-second intervals so you don't burn your chocolate. My husband and my son have never had peppermint bark, so this will be a real treat for them. Me, myself, my grandma used to make this when I was a kid, so I love it. There we go. We are almost to that point. You want it to be just a little runnier than this. So we're going to put it in for 30 seconds more. And that should do it. Think you're going to get something, don't you? You're not getting nothing. You can't have chocolate. She likes following Mom around the kitchen because she thinks she's going to get something every time I'm in the kitchen. You're not getting nothing. All right. Give it a... Oh, yeah. That's perfect. All right. Now you're going to take your chocolate. You're going to dump it out onto your parchment paper. Like that. And you're going to spread it out. Just like that. Then we're going to pop this in the freezer for about 3-4 minutes, just so that it can harden up a little bit. And in the meantime, while we're waiting for that to harden up a bit, we're going to get some of these Star Crunch or Star Light Mints. We're going to put them in a little baggie here. And of course, they're all individually wrapped, so you got to sit here and unwrap every last one of them. You can come help, Brayden. I have my 21-year-old here with me tonight, so. And if you really like mints, you can use the whole bag. I am not going to use the whole bag. That should be good. That should be more than enough. And this is the fun part. Or at least it is for me. Take you a cloth. Put it on top of your bag. Get your husband's hammer and just start whacking it. Wow, that didn't do much, did it? They're still whole. Alright, well, I guess we're going to go about doing this another way. And grab the blender down for me. Or your Ninja, if you know where your Ninja is. Your Ninja cup. So now we're going to get the big blender down and puree these up. I wasn't hammering on it real hard because I didn't want to break my countertop.
Well, that's not the three green candy. You want to use those two?
Yeah, if you got the green ones in there. Alright. I don't use this thing very often, so. Gonna pour them in there like that. We got some green candy canes too. That's enough. Then we're gonna throw in this. So we have red and green. If I can get it open.
Look out, Pop. Sitting down for a while.
And I'm a struggle bus with these. But yet if I give it to a 2-year-old or a 3-year-old, they can have it open in a matter of 30 seconds. Okay, that's good enough.
It's okay, I'll eat that last one later.
Yeah.
Okay. Lay down.
I have a slight dilemma. Push me.
Push you back.
There we go.
Except your cord don't quite reach.
No. Alright.
I haven't used this blender in a couple of years, so.
This could be loud. Caution.
Your discretion is advised. Mary.
Alright.
Oh, a little loud.
Very loud.
In the eye.
I apologize to anybody who has sensitive hearing.
That got hot really quick.
Good part about having an island on wheels. You can move it anywhere you need it. Alright. We are going to put our vanilla, or our white chocolate in the microwave. 30-second intervals. Just like we did with the chocolate. We're going to pull the chocolate out of the freezer. Alright, 30 seconds more. Once you get your white chocolate smooth, doesn't have to be perfectly smooth, but reasonably smooth, you're going to add 1 to 2 drops of peppermint extract. You do not want to add a lot unless you really like peppermint. Little bit goes a very long way. Oh, smells so good. Now that I have it all over my hand. Alright. Stir this up again and see where we're at. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. We're going to add just a touch. Because as I said, a little bit goes a very, very long way. Oh yeah, I already smell pepperminty.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to microwave this for another 30 seconds just to make sure it's nice and smooth. That's a lovely smell of peppermint. As good as my hand smells right now. All right. And there we go. Nice and smooth. Now we are going to add just another little bit. I don't measure the peppermint. It's good no matter how much you add. All right. You're going to take your white chocolate. You're going to pour it over the top of your milk chocolate. You can also do this with dark chocolate. There are many very different ways of doing this. This is the way I was taught growing up. So this is the way I've always done it. And you just spread your white chocolate out over the top of your milk chocolate. Just like this. Alright. And then once you get that done, you add your peppermints. And you stick it back in your freezer for 10 to 15 minutes to let it set up all the way and let everything cool and mesh together. And we will see you when we get it out of the freezer. Ta-ta for now. Alright all, we're back. We're going to take this out of the freezer now. It has set up nicely. Look at how pretty that looks. And then all you're going to do, this is what Grandma used to do. So you do it whatever way you want. This is how Grandma used to do it. Pick it up off parchment paper. Drop it. Smash it. Wow. There we go. There we go. It kind of froze up, I think, a little bit in the freezer. Alright. Well, that is what it looks like when it's done. Ooh, making a mess over here. Alright. Just like that. You can bag it up for gift bags for the holidays. You can put it in cookie boxes. You can give it away as treats, office parties, whatever you'd like. It is very yummy, and I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope you make some for yourself. We will see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.